Hi everyone, welcome to Takeoff Group, a multidisciplinary platform for academic institutions, industries and research. Our workshop title: Hands-on design and implementation of digital circuits using Xilinx ISE simulator with VHDL in Spartan FPGA. Scope of workshop: main objective of our workshop is to make students conceptually, practically aware about FPGA boards and tool working. Brief about FPGA. FPGAs are semiconductor devices that are based around a matrix of configurable logic blocks which are connected via programmable interconnect. FPGA can be reprogrammed for desired applications or functionality requirements after manufacturing. Whatever the work done by the microprocessor or controller can also be done by FPGA. Program structure: duration is 2 days, 6 hours per day with 4 sessions. Session 1: about VLSI, justifying the definition, founder, laws and about VLSI in world. Introduction to digital circuits, about digital circuits, logic gates, digital circuit combinational and sequential with some examples. Differences between analog and digital circuits. Differences between analog and digital circuits with justification and examples are done. Introduction to FPGA, about Spartan FPGA architecture, LUTs, CLBs, etc. are discussed. Tool installation procedure, where installation process for the Xilinx ISE simulator and analyzing and working of the tool is going to be discussed. Session 2: Introduction to HDL. Here we discuss about the importance and use of hardware description language. Introduction to VHDL. Basic syntaxes of VHDL are discussed. Coding styles in VHDL. There are 3 styles, namely data flow, behavioral and structural coding styles, which are discussed with some example programs. Session 3 and 4 goes for practical sessions by coding some examples and interfacing with Spartan FPGA, like basic input-output programs, interfacing LCD, 7-segment display and sensors. LCD. To show LCD application, the requirements we need are FPGA kit, LCD and power supply. So from here I am giving power supply to the kit and LCD is connected here. So now I have sent the message hello hi in this LCD. To send this message in LCD or to display this message, we need to write a program and that program should be dumped in this FPGA. Next application is 7-segment display. So in our kit itself it is having a 7-segment display. So similarly a code is written for this and that is dumped in this FPGA, and now I am going to show you the output of hexadecimal values in this 7-segment display. So starts here from 0 to F. This is how our 7-segment display works. Our next application is temperature sensor with LED, that is the output is shown in LED. This is our temperature sensor here. So the temperature sensor code is written and that is dumped in FPGA board here, and that output is shown in this LEDs. And now the code has been dumped and here you can see the that LED is on glowing. So here based upon the temperature the intensity of this LEDs changes. So observe the changes what is happening here. The intensity is going to be changed and the variations is going to be shown here. What you will gain: brief about FPGA boards and its features, interfacing procedure of different codes with Spartan FPGA and observing the practical outputs with theoretical ones. Here, awareness on Spartan FPGA concepts, Spartan FPGA overview, fundamentals of digital circuits, Xilinx ISE simulator tool working, interfacing hardware components with Spartan FPGA are covered. Certification: all our certificates have a unique ID which can be verified in online for lifetime. Participation certificate, appreciation certificate for top performers, certification of coordinators, memento for department or college. Pre-requirements: FPGA development board, management needs to provide a seminar hall with projector and mic and hardware lab with computers or laptops. For any queries, contact 9030333433 or 08772261612. Or you can visit our website www.takeoffgroup.in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.